Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
viewers,
viewers,
if
in
you
this
have the
video I
same
will tell you how you can solve this problem, paper jammed in scanner. This is free of cost. You do not need to go to bazaar and pay anything for it. You can solve this problem at home. Just you have to watch this video till the end and your problem inshallah will be solved. So as you can see that this paper jammed problem occurred due to the dust. When on your scanner a lot of dust available, then you can just have to remove this dust from the sensor and your problem will be solved. And where is the sensor, I will tell you, but you have to watch this video till the end. So let's start. First of all, this is a scanner. You can see that you have to press the open button and pull out the door. After pulling out the door, you have need to verify the, you can see that from the opposite side of the open button. Here you can see that as you uh, uh, after you have to focus on it. This is a lock, plastic lock. Very carefully you have to just you have to press and open from the lock. This is a plastic lock and very carefully you have to open it from the lock. Just you have to pull up. After pulling up, the lock will be opened. And similarly, this is also a lock, and there is no screw. You just have to pull up and then push back, then the lock will be opened. Here are the locks, and same locks are available in the bottom. Four locks also are available. You have to need focus on because it is uh, very sensitive things, because if you press longly maybe a plastic will be broken. Then you have, as you can, one, two, three, four. Here are the four locks. Just you have to push them, then the locks will be opened, and this option and this door will be you can see that your cover will be removed. Very easy. Just you have to remove this cover. After removing the cover, you can easily solve this problem. Here you can see that I have removed the cover, and after removing the cover, you have to clean this each and everything. How you can clean, and where is the sensor, I will tell you. Normally this lock has been fallen down, then you have to adjust it, but it is very difficult to adjust again. That's why I am telling you how you can fix it. It automatically fell down. So you have to learn it how you can again fix it. Let's start. Here you can see that one lock is available. You have to just push them, and first, and then here is a second lock. From here you also have to push it. After that, here are also four locks are available. So you have to push four locks, then this kit will be removed, and behind this kit you will find the sensor where this problem occurred, jam paper occurred. So there are four locks, as you can see that one, fourth one. So you have to, for removing, you have to press back for this lock. After backing the lock, your kit, this is basically programming kit, and this is spring. Sometimes this you, if you can forget to so you can forget this how to adjust this spring, and without this spring your scanner will be worked, but your this strip will be damaged. And this is a sensor that senses your paper is jammed. If this sensor is not cleaned, and there are a lot of, this sensor is covered with the dust, then this problem, paper jammed problem occurred, and you need to use the CTC if you have. This is the best one method. First of all, you have to fully clean the uh, clean the scanner with the a piece of cloth or anything or blower. You can use it after the after cleaning it. You have to use the ctc, or if you not have a ctc, then you can use the petrol or body spray as you have. Then you after cleaning, after drying that, then you can on. This is a kit. You have to carefully clean the kit and the sensor. After cleaning the sensor and kit, your problem will be solved. So then after cleaning, you have to just fit out. I have already told you on the behind this kit, it has a sensor, so you have to fix it. How you can fix it? You can see it. I am fixing it without the spring. If you not use the spring, most of the time the spring has been fallen down and you do not remember how to fix it, or maybe no error occurred. Then mostly people not use, but your kit will be damaged. So you have to fix the spring, and you can see that it automatically fell, and then how to fix it, you do not remember. So carefully you have to, as you can see that most the people use it in the wrong way, then it not work. Here you can see that this is a correct format of this one. This is this is the correct method. If you do not like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And also you can share this video with other people's. Here you can see that this is the lock, or when you lock the door, it will work done. So you have to just push it and you can fix it. So after cleaning each and everything, especially sensor, now we will fix, and we use it without the cover, and let's check with the print it's work or not. You can on from here. Before closing it, you can use and test it. So let's start it and check it. Very simple method. You just have to clean the sensor. Overall, if you have opened it, you can clean each and everything, but especially you have to clean the paper jam sensor. So after cleaning each and everything, let's start and check. Let's wait. Wow, you can see that Alhamdulillah, we have done it. So you can see that our problem has been solved. So here you can see that successfully our page has been scanned. So by using this method, you can easily solve this problem. If you have any other problem, you can visit the channel, Printer Lab channel, and you can get the solution. So let's see. And I have turned off, and now I will fix the main cover of this scanner. But you have to again, after checking, you can open it from this lock carefully. After after um, pull after pull out the door, you can fix this cover. So be careful, and you can again vice versa of this, when how you opened and how you can close. It is very simple. just you have to just you have to fix it, the locks. In this scanner there are no screw, just there are the locks. So our mission has been complete. Now after putting the cover on, let's again check it. If you have any issue related to the printer scanner, we only work on this channel related to the printer and scanners. If you have any problem related to the printer and scanner, you must have to visit the channel, and your problem inshallah will be solved and you will get the required solution. If you do not get the required video, you can comment us, we will help you. So you can see that again our page has been successfully scanned and with the full accurate result. Because we also clean the scanner area with the tissue, and you can use a tissue and you can use the piece of cloth. It totally depends on you. So after closing, you can see that most of the time it will work without this, as I already told you, without this spring. But your scanner or this kit will be damaged, so you have to fix it accordingly. You can see that you can fix it as I am doing, because this is a special thing for you. Most of the time it has been fell, and you forget it and how to fix it. So you can fix it like this. Thanks for watching.